यस, एनीवन, एनीथिंग। कुछ और अगर आपको बात करनी है, कुछ क्लियर करना है। सौरभ, कैन यू प्लीज क्लैरिफाई मी व्हाट एग्जैक्टली यू वांट टू आस्क? मुझे समझ में नहीं
मैम वो
आया।
आपने दो क्वेश्चन मतलब दो प्रोजेक्ट दिए थे ना, एक तो वो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज और एक
हम्म।
एग्रीकल्चर वाला। तो
हम्म।
जैसे मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज तो हुआ नहीं, तो वो तो एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ेगा, और जो
हम्म।
एग्रीकल्चर है उसमें हम लोग को क्वेश्चंस पूछने हैं, कि मतलब
हम
वो
आप
भी
एक
एक्सप्लेन
क्वेश्चन
करना
बैंक,
है।
आप एक क्वेश्चन बैंक बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे उसमें,
ठीक है।
है ना? इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस को लेके, ताकि हम लोगों का रिवीजन हो जाए। उसके जो और केवल क्वेश्चन बैंक नहीं बनाएंगे, उसके अंदर आप एक छोटे छोटे, मतलब कहते हैं ना, छोटे फॉर्मेट में आप उसके आंसर्स भी प्रोवाइड करेंगे। And you do not
ठीक।
need to share the whole PPT with everyone, you just need to show it to everyone so that people know कि हम किस बारे में बातचीत कर रहे हैं।
ठीक है।
ठीक है। और कुछ? एनीवन? जरा मुझे याद दिलाओ, हमारा क्या क्या बचा हुआ है पढ़ने के लिए? भाई, एज ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन एक ही बार पढ़ाना है ना, वो 4 बार थोड़ी पढ़ाऊंगी मैं। ज्योग्राफी के 2 चैप्टर्स बचे हैं, एज ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन बचा है, डीपी में कुछ बचा है क्या? लास्ट चैप्टर ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स क्या है तान्या, एक बार जरा मुझे बताना। यस तान्या, लास्ट चैप्टर ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स क्या है? ओके, गुड। सेव्ड बाय अ बेल। पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज। तुम लोगों के प्रेजेंटेशंस कब से बोले मैंने शुरू करने के लिए?
थर्सडे से।
थर्सडे से? थर्सडे तो काफी दूर है। उस बीच में तुम्हारी कितनी क्लासेस लगेंगी? लेट मी सी।
मैम कल और लगेगी फिर तो थर्सडे। हाँ कल ही
कल?
लगेगी।
कल का मेरी क्लास थोड़ी है।
हाँ तो मैम फिर डायरेक्ट थर्सडे को ही होगी ना।
थर्सडे को ही क्लास है तो फिर ठीक है, आज हम नया चैप्टर शुरू नहीं करके स्टोरी टेलिंग कंटिन्यू करते हैं। लेट्स सी हु वाज लेफ्ट।
थर्सडे को
रीड।
दो चैप्टर।
हाँ, देख लिया मैंने, थैंक यू। सो दैट विल बी अ गुड स्टार्ट। I must say that when I floated this idea of choosing their way of multiple assessment, lower classes got quite excited, especially class 7th. They had so many ideas, so many ideas. And a class 8th was as difficult as you people are. 9th was also quite excited. 6th में भी मैंने ये idea float किया नहीं है. Otherwise, people were quite excited about choosing their own fate. ठीक है. Okay. 24 आर प्रेजेंट हियर। अर्चित को मुझे फिर से चांस देना था। ठीक है, फाइन। अनमोल, योर टर्न। टेल मी योर स्टोरी।
यस
एंड योर
मैम।
कैमराज कैमराज ऑन रखो जरा, थोड़ा बहुत दिन हो गए तुम लोगों की शक्लें नहीं देखी मैंने।
मैम आई एम प्रेजेंटिंग द स्क्रीन सो आई कैन मतलब आई विल बी
ओके,
नॉट।
ओके, फाइन फाइन फाइन।
Ma'am, is the screen visible?
Yes, beta, it's visible.
Sairam, my story is based on the Bhuj, the pride of India. So first, let's see a brief intro of the story. The story revolves around squadron leader Vijay Karnik, who was in charge of the Bhuj airport during the 1971 Indian-Pakistan War. The story tells us how Vijay Karnik convinced 300 women to rebuild the airstrip which was destroyed by the Pakistan airstrikes. On the night of 8th December 1971, 300 village women helped India in winning against one of its toughest wars against Pakistan. The war between India and Pakistan in the 1971 was sparked by the armed liberation struggle in East Pakistan between the dominant Bengalis and multi-ethnic West Pakistanis over the right to govern and the constitution. In one such war night, that was on 8th December 1971, approximately 14 bombs were dropped on Indian Air Force airstrip in both by a squadron of several jets by Pakistan. While the IAFs were putting their blood and sweat to rebuild the airstrip due to lack of time and manpower, they were unable to do the same. That's when the squadron leader Vijay Karnik rallied together 300 women to rebuild the airstrip so that the Indian Air Force could make a safe landing. Karnik was accompanied by two senior officers, 50 IAF and 60 Defense Security Corps personnel during the war. When the 300 women who belonged from Madhapur in Bhuj were alert about the bombings, not one of them even for once hesitated to step out from their houses and help the IAF officers. Speaking to the Asian East Squadron leader, Karni recalls the incident saying, "We were fighting a war, and if there had been any casualties of any of these women, it would have been a great loss to the war effort, but I took the decision and it worked out. I had briefed them where they could take shelter if attacked, and they followed it. The team was instructed to use cow dung on strip to camouflage it from the enemy's planes. They took shelter in bunks during airstrike. They had to survive on Sukhadi and chili. While on the first day, the women and officers slept hungry as there was nothing to eat, thanks to the kindness of a local temple, fruits and sweets were offered to them on the second day, which helped them to work through the third day. Now, finally, on day 4th at 4 p.m., the combat aircraft took off from the airstrip. The whole movement was later termed as India's Pearl Harbor movement. This was all about the Bhuj, the Pride of India. Thank you.
Applauses, respect. I really liked it. It was the whole purpose of this activity. Finding out stories, the stories that we don't know, the stories that will inspire us in the end. Well done, Anmol. Full marks to you. Very happy. Thank you. Okay. I will go ahead with Mehak.
Om Shri Sai Ram. My topic is Aurangabad.
Mehak, you are not clearly audible.
Ma'am,
तुम थोड़ा सा ना अपना एरिया चेंज करो जहां पर बैठी हो. ओके. एंड मैं पहले किसी और का लेती हूँ, फिर आई विल कम बैक टू यू, क्योंकि तुम्हारी आवाज मुझे बिल्कुल भी सुनाई नहीं दी. यस जतिन, आज हो मीटिंग में.
Yes, ma'am.
सुनाओगे कुछ?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके.
I am telling a story on a person whose name is Joseph Warren. Joseph Warren was regarded by many in his time as the true architect of the American Revolution. He was the key figure in one of history's most famous Tea Parties. He wrote a set of resolves that served as the blueprint for the first autonomous American government. He delivered a speech that sparked the first battles of the Revolutionary War. He sent Paul Revere out on one of the history's most famous raids. He was the only patriot leader prior to the Declaration of Independence to risk his life against the British on the battlefield. and remarkably, he has been largely lost to history. He was surrounded by names we are all familiar with, and yet his known name is barely ever heard these days. Interestingly, his brother went on to found Harvard Medical School, and 14 US states have a Warren country named after him. Thank you.
That felt incomplete. I'll give you another chance sometime later because this did not feel good. It was just like a page out of Wikipedia. Not satisfied. If you want, you can have another chance. Otherwise, I have given you 50% marks.
Yes, ma'am.
And Sunidhi Kabra. Sunidhi,
Yes, ma'am.
your turn. You will have to unmute your mic, Vita, so that I can hear you.
Yes, ma'am. One second.
I'll come back to you. In the meantime, Sakshi Dhakar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, your turn, Vita.
Okay, ma'am. Om Shri Sai Ram. Today I will tell you the story of Prithviraj Chauhan and Queen Sanyogita. Prithviraj Chauhan. Prithviraj Chauhan was a valiant king and his glory surged to new heights after he defeated Muhammad Ghori, the Sultan of Ghurid Emperor, in the first battle of Tehrin. Prithviraj Chauhan was the king of Chauhan dynasty whose rule extended to parts of present-day Rajasthan, Haryana, Delhi and some parts of Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. He is also hailed as the last Rajput king to rule Delhi before the Muslim Congress of the Indian subcontinent. Legend has it that Gauri attacked Delhi 17 times and was defeated 16 times. Gauri attacked 16 times at the hands of Prithviraj Chauhan and his army. Soon enough, the heroic tales of Prithviraj's bravery reached the ears of Sanyogita, the daughter of Kannauj king Jaichand. But before love could flourish between the two, the relationship between Jaichand and Prithviraj Chauhan was strained. Jaichand wanted to arrest his supremacy over the other Rajput kings and hence decided to do a Rajswayago. Prithviraj, however, refused to accept Jayachand's supremacy, and this marked the beginning of their enmity. But while Jayachand was enraged by Prithviraj's refusal to accept him as the supreme king, his daughter Sanyogita was smitten. She had heard about Chauhan's heroic expeditions and was absolutely in love with him. At this time, Jayachand decided to arrange a Swayamvar for his daughter. He sent an invitation to all the kings except Prithviraj. To add to the insult, he got a statue of Prithviraj made and installed it as a doorman. But Sanyogita had already given her heart to him. On the day of the Swayamvar, Sanyogita walked past all the kings and princes, rejecting each one of them and finally reaching the statue. At that moment, Chauhan, who was hiding until then, came out and Sanyogita put the garland around his neck. That day, thousands of soldiers laid their lives to make sure that Prithviraj Chauhan escaped safely from Kannauj with his newly wedded wife Sanyogita. Chechen was raging with anger and he wanted to take revenge. So he formed an alliance with Muhammad Ghori, whom Prithviraj had previously defeated 16 times, and extended his support to Ghori's army to attack Delhi. When Ghori's army attacked this time, Prithviraj lost the war and Ghori captured him. Legend has it that Chauhan had begun to ignore state affairs after his marriage to Sanyogita. An archery competition was held and Bardai subsequently told his blind king about the exact place where the Sultan was sitting. When Muhammad Ghori ordered the blind king to shoot, Prithviraj took aim based on Bardai's hints and shoot the arrow at him. He he didn't miss his target and Muhammad Ghori was killed. It is believed that after Chand Bardai passed away, the end of the epic was completed by his son Jalham, Jalhan, who was also a witness to the war. Thank you and Sairam.
अच्छा, यू विल टेल मी वन थिंग, ये पूरी स्टोरी का सोर्स क्या था? कौन सी बुक इसका सोर्स है?
मैम गूगल
क्या?
गूगल
नहीं नहीं, ये जो तुमने पूरी स्टोरी बताई ना, इसका एक सोर्स है, ये किसी बुक में से ली गई है। जो तुमने चंद बरदाई की बात करी, चंद बरदाई वाज द राइटर ऑफ अ बुक, एनीबडी नोज? इतनी देर में तो गूगल करके ही बता दो। एनीवन? भाई सो रहे हो, जाग रहे हो, क्या चाहते हो तुम लोग? Thanks a lot, Ishaq, for putting the effort of Googling something that seems to be a little important. It is a poem. It is a composition of poem written by Chandra. It is very famous, and Prithviraj Chauhan was a legendary figure, and his love story seems to have been fantasized a lot by writers. But he was the reason of his valor was the main reason that India lost the empire to foreign invaders. Because of his Rajput pride, he was not ready to kill Ghori in the first battle of Tarain. He let him go because Rajput Shan कहती है कि you should not kill a defeated enemy. But because of that, Ghori went back, came back with a stronger army, killed him. No, sorry, didn't kill him, humiliated him, blinded him. Then he learned how to fight without his eyes, and then this epics goes on and on and on. And ultimately he was killed, and this dynasty, the slave dynasty, was established. थोड़ा सा जो है, तुम लोग अगर इस डायरेक्शन में साक्षी चली जाती ना, it would have made it more interesting. It was good enough. There was a scope, but ठीक है, acceptable, fine. Yes, coming back to Sunidhi. Sunidhi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, your turn. If you don't start in 5 seconds, I'm just giving you 0.
Ma'am, am I audible? Ma'am, I'm presenting the screen.
Then do it quickly. Mehak beta, I still cannot hear your voice quickly. Sorry, clearly. My head is in some other state. मैं एक बार ना तुम अपना फोन रीस्टार्ट करके वापस आओ. I'll wait for you. Restart your phone.
Mom, is the screen visible?
Yes, it is.
The untold mystery of the Bermuda Triangle. What is the Bermuda Triangle? This is the story of a triangle in the sea which is not clearly visible, but where some aircraft and surface vessels have disappeared under mysterious circumstances. Some, where it is? It is an imaginary triangle area between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. The birth of the Bermuda Triangle mystery. It was after the Flight 90 disappearance on December 5th, 1945. The loss of 5 bombers led to a media hype which began speculation about the mystery of the triangle. Missing ships, planes, and over 1,000 people have disappeared in that triangle area in past 60 years, and till now it is not clear that what happens there after the missing of the ship and aircraft. It seemingly has an endless appetite for aircraft and ships. Where did they go? The first notable incident. USS Cyclone. The most notable first incident was USS Cyclone. The ship, along with 309 crew members, went missing on March 1st, 1980. After they lost, we had a search history on them, but they couldn't find anything on them. Flight 19, one of the greatest mystery of the Bermuda Triangle is Flight 19 on December 5, 1945 at 2:10 p.m. 5 Avenger bombers disappeared flying over the Atlantic Ocean. And first the fog comes and then the things disappear. Human error. At 4:45 p.m., James was instructed to hand over the control to his student, but he did not listen because he was also lost in that Bermuda Triangle. Ghost ship. Some people think that they are ghosts who eat the shells, planes, but the real incident was of that there was a volcano which has a super highly pressure magnet which attracts these planes and ships which are not seen again. Douglas Airlines. The plane and all 28 members went missing mysteriously while flying from Puerto Rico to Florida in 1948. Compass variation. Geographically, north, it was seen that geographically we can see that it is on the north side of the Earth. Compass variation, we can see the declination degree east. It decreases again. Methane hydrate. Methane is one of the most important cause of the mystery and unsolved mystery of the Bermuda Triangle. Government testing. When the Flight 90 was lost, government go and has tested that then where are the people gone? It is not under they were not under the sea also and they were not on the sea also. They are everywhere. How don't we know? Some people think that there is a wormhole which eats the people and takes them away from them. In 19th century, it was many people think that there was a monster which eats the airplane, shares, boats, etc. What we really think that it is better just human error now. But in the 19th.
अच्छा, keep your screen or sharing. Keep that slideshow on the run. Keep that slideshow on the run and answer my question. Yes. मुझे ये बताओ, what are the 5 notable incidents related to Bermuda Triangle? बगैर देखे.
Yes, ma'am. So it was first flight 90. Second, it was Mrs. Cyclone. Second, it was third. It was.
What are the theories behind the mystery of Bermuda Triangle?
Ma'am, the early theory was that there is a monster living there which eats the ships and swallow the airplanes flying over them. But today it is that. But today
बहुत सारी theories हैं. बाकी सारी theories तो बताओ मुझे.
Now it is said that there was a volcano over there which is having the attract these airplanes and ships over there.
तुमने बहुत सारी theories बताई थी. You are not talking about that. The theories that you talked about in your slideshow, I'm talking about them. Just remind me what the other theories were. Just stop your screen sharing and listen what I'm going to say. देखो, the task was to present a story. ठीक है, स्टोरी प्रेजेंट करनी थी. आप लोग क्या कर रहे हो? मुझे प्री प्रिपेयर्ड स्लाइड शो प्रेजेंट कर रहे हो. You were allowed to take help of these. You were not allowed to just narrate what is written in the slideshow. अगर तुम्हें पता ही नहीं है what you are talking about, that means you have not prepared the story at all. आप मुझे बना बनाया स्लाइड शो एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हो. And this is not what I wanted. This was not the task. तुमने अगर स्लाइड शो की हेल्प ली, at least you should know what is in your story. मुझे भी पता है स्लाइड शेयर पे जमाने भर के स्लाइड्स अवेलेबल हैं. मुझे स्लाइड शो थोड़ी समझने हैं. देयर वाज द आइडिया वाज स्टोरी टेलिंग. क्या है स्टोरी टेलिंग हुई उसमें? जो तुमने 2 मिनट पहले जो बोला तुम्हें खुद ही को याद नहीं है. This was not the task that was assigned. Is Mehak back? बेटा तेरी आवाज मुझे अभी भी नहीं आ रही है. I'll give you an extension. मैं तुमसे नेक्स्ट क्लास में करती हूँ बात, है ना? Just find a better area जहाँ तुम्हारी आवाज मुझे क्लियरली आए. Pujita, your turn.
Yes, ma'am. Shri Sairam, today I'm going to tell you the story about Khudiram Bose. Khudiram Bose was born on 3rd December 1889 in Mohobani in Bengal to Trilokyanath Bose and Lakshmipriya Devi. He was the 4th child of his parents. Before him, his parents have 2 sons who both of them died of prematurity. At that time, there was a culture known as Khud, in which the newborn was symbolically sold to his eldest sister in exchange of 3 handfuls of grain to protect the child from prematurity. At the age of 6, his mother was died, and at the age of 7, his father also died. Then his eldest sister, with her husband, rose him. At the age of 15, he started to take part in the revolutionary activities. On 29th April 1908, he, along with uh, Prafulla Chakki, tried to assassinate the British British Judge Magistrate Douglas Kingsford. He bombed the carriage in which the man was suspected to be in, but the man was in another carriage, and the bombing and the bomb uh, and the bombing due to bombing the two British women were dead. They managed to escape from there. Prafulla committed suicide before the arrest. Um, Khudiram ran for 25 miles and stopped at a railway station called Vaini to get some water. There the two constables suspected him as the way he was exhausted. After some questioning, it was confirmed that he was the one who did the bombing. On 1st May, he was presented before the judge, and on 11th August, he was hanged. Thank you.
Good work, full marks for the effort. I can see that you tried to memorize it. I can see that you tried to speak in much as fluency as you could. I like it. Good work. Any volunteers? Kartike, we can discuss the flight 19 someday when we'll have time. Definitely we will. Any volunteers for the last story of the day? Okay, Mitushi. Go ahead. Mitushi, I can't hear you properly, beta. Mitushi, I cannot hear you. I can see it clearly, but I can't hear you. बेटा तुम्हारी आवाज कट रही है अभी भी. Speak once more.
Now, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Continue.
The story of Cleopatra was born in BC in 30th the
Mitushi, I'll have to stop you. I have to stop you here right now. I have to stop you because there seems to be some connectivity error and we cannot hear you clearly. So let's hold your story for the next class. Keep that story to yourself, and I have noted down your topic and it will be yours. But next time, try to be in a more connective area and we'll try again to listen to your story. अभी कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे पा रहा है मुझे, बीच बीच में आपकी आवाज कट रही है. ठीक है, तो I think that should be all for today. Good work, everyone. I have pointed out the errors, and those who are left, they can rectify their errors in the meantime. And अब थर्सडे से क्या होगा कि कुछ स्टोरी चलेंगी और एक प्रेजेंटेशन चलेगा. So everyone be ready with your presentations, and if there is someone who wants more time to make their presentation effective, I can grant you extension, but you have to speak now. That you feel like you are preparing well, you are doing good, but you need some time to make it more effective. You can write it in the chat box. I will grant you extra time. ठीक है कार्तिकेय, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द sunken ship, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट योर ships. For project, storytelling तो चलेगी ही चलेगी. I'm talking about project. If anybody feels like they can do better with more time, I am willing to grant it. But you'll have to speak up. और नहीं तो थर्सडे को बोलोगे तो फिर तो नंबर कटेंगे. Goes for everyone, not just for these guys. It goes for everyone. If you feel like granted more time, you can do better. अच्छा, you want more time. ठीक है, Ishaq, I am granting your group more time, but since you are asking for time, you will have to do something really good. You cannot be like कि ना time भी ले लिया और उसके बाद मुझे कुछ घटिया सा बना के दे दिया. I hope the whole idea behind it is clear. I'll give you time, but it has to be something really good. Are you and Keshav in the same group? Okay, Keshav, same for you. I'm granting you time, but then it has to be something really good. The expectations are higher if you are getting more time. और more time का मतलब ये नहीं है कि अब अगले वीक पे चला जाएगा. थर्सडे से at most सैटरडे. ठीक है. Anything anybody else wants to say? Okay, fine. Just remind me in the next class that I have granted this to these two people. Fine. Thank you, Sairam. Have a nice day.